Okay, so that we're all on the same page, let me explain how the addresses are being verified. First, when people submit the form, it goes into these four columns. One, two, three, four. But I want to aggregate them. So over here, using this formula, it brings in just those four columns and sticks them into these four columns. But what I really need is to have a single column with all of those addresses. So this formula grabs all four columns and then puts them in a nice long list. Now this will be the reference point for the other formulas to work off of. So if we go into the other sheets, remember this is column E, go into the other sheets, we can see that I've imported that information using that address. So you can actually link to another sheet and it's pulling in that column E from sheet 2. Okay, then this address over here will search this column, and if it finds a match from this column in this column, it returns verified. If it doesn't find a match in this column, it comes back not verified. And then we have a count function here to see how things change and to make sure things are working correctly. All right. And then if we switch over to the reward, it's much the same formula. It's bringing in that sheet, so it gives the full list. Let's see, and then same formula here, same formula there. The only difference on this sheet is I have the stake coming from that previous sheet, so I just copy and paste it, right? And then the stake will do a VLOOKUP, and if there's an address from this column that matches in this column, it's going to pull the second value, which is this number. And that way we have the stake and then the received for each day and each week. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know.